really don't think we need. Whoa!
No problem. You're good.
Asshole! Look, I love this because it's double zipper, so I can pull my wank out without having to take this whole thing off. Oh, hey.
What did you just say?
I got it. I'm ready.
You started. Cool.
Here's what we're doing today. We're doing an AC compressor delete, so we have a little less weight, and we can make a little more bay room there in the engine bay. We got this fancy little part here. After that, Joe's gonna do his little editing and stuff, and Kev behind the camera is gonna do some shoots as we get a little moving pictures. Is that what you call it?
Moving pictures.
But yeah, we'll get some shots today, and we'll just see what's going on with this thing.
Yeah, the Montego that we bought a couple months ago, Hunter keeps f***ing up, and he keeps breaking each side.
Listen, that was from the driveway. That had nothing to do with my driving.
You f***ing blew up one of the tires. On both sides, it's messed up.
It's just a bad time.
Look at it.
Bad luck. It's still
This
on
car
there.
looked amazing when I got it from the auction.
It did not. I had to clean it. You should have seen the difference. Should have made a video of that. How well it came out on the inside. Yeah, okay. You don't hate me. You love me. You just don't want to accept it.
If I could leave right now, I would.
No, you wouldn't.
Yeah. If you're wondering what is the update with the Silverado, there is nothing, and everything from the truck is still in my toolbox, and I still have to clean it. So
What's up, Rob?
y'all ain't getting that for a couple more weeks.
And you're over
You
here
take
putting
your
rocks.
dirty ass DeWalt.
Oh, what the hell are you talking
keep it away
about?
from
This
my
is
husky.
clean. Like,
Look
except
at
for
your
that.
stupid ass, and look at this.
Your fucking husky.
You don't even have wrenches.
Yeah, you leave that in the rain one day and it's shot to shit. I don't
Yeah,
want
well, they all are. So.
It's part of it, man.
No, I want to be comfortable. I would rather take off the hood and have a struggle later putting it back on than.
So he knows.
Hey, where
he
am
knows
I?
it's gonna be a problem, and he said we'll just do it.
Nope. That hasn't come off in years.
What size?
10.
That's just Kevin saw the whole thing. Let it go, boss!
Oh, she lost mine too.
Oh. I don't know whose idea it was to get vehicles.
Whose idea was it to take the hood off? Goddamn. Hold on, bud. There's something here.
I wish somebody directed us not to. There you go.
Yeah, let me just.
Thank you. You can have that.
Yeah.
Look,
I appreciate
take a
it.
look down here and see what we got.
You lost it?
No, I didn't.
It's just gone?
I didn't lose it.
Where's it at?
It's down there.
Oh, dude, it probably fell in that cavern right there. Dude, we've had this car for 3 weeks and you've lost everything when you work on it. Anyways, let's get working on that shit. There we go. Break that off of there.
It wasn't even. Oh, okay.
Boom. Step 1. I'm going inside.
That's the best place to work.
Can you? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Recover any refrigerant remaining in the air conditioning system. See, I think we'll be okay. It just let it drain out.
Don't worry. I'll get it done.
We'll be fine. Hey, buddy. We don't need that. I really don't think we need. Whoa! We can't lose these either.
Put them in the box. No, why are you gonna put them over there when it's just random shit?
It's back in the damn
You
box.
goddamn know we're gonna lose it if we put it over here. Put it in the bag. Oh shit, where'd the bolts go? I left them in the
Okay,
box.
let's disconnect our hoses. Do we need a drain pan? I got a drain pan.
Alright, disconnecting hoses.
Crack.
We can take this off,
Okay.
and that pretty much runs everywhere.
Sounds good. Do it.
I'll take care of it. Don't worry. I might break my tools in the process, or my arm. Manpower, yeah. Forget the drills. Don't need that crap. Hey, hey, I'm trying to.
This was
If you
my
could,
job.
if you could get out of the way. I've gotten 3 out of the 4.
Well, that's why I'm getting the 4th, because you obviously couldn't do it. Thank you so much.
Excuse me. Yeah, excuse me.
Yeah,
Sorry.
no problem. You're good.
I'm trying to.
Asshole! Go team. Damn, we're good at this. I need a water.
You've done nothing.
No! What a hood.
It's not moving. I know what'll fix this problem.
Wedge it off, you know? Yeah, there you go. Dude, that's kind of no problem.
It worked.
You got it?
Oh my god. Mechanic.
Mechanic.
Done. All right, guys.
Cool.
That's the end of the video. We got the job done. We removed it. Driving home.
You're scaring me. Cut this guy. Don't cut the rubber one. Here. Perfect. Oh, I should have warned you about that. Don't smell it. All right. Finish cutting it, so it's off. Cut the other one too.
I love the silence in it, Kevin. Oh, that's
Isn't
great.
excellent?
Thanks, Kevin. You made me laugh. I can't see where I'm cutting, dude.
It's never good. 2020 beach.
Cut. Easy enough.
There you go.
Hey, it's green like Ryobi. That's how you know it was meant to be.
You know, I just realized I couldn't find my shorts when I went inside. It's because I'm wearing them.
I'm doing the important jobs.
Of course, so it's out the way. What are you doing? Ha! Yeah.
Oh,
That's a hate
Canceled.
crime.
Canceled.
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 Eventually, we're gonna put a turbo setup on this engine. That way we can blow it up, and it probably will last the startup. We'll probably set up the entire turbo, all the intercooler, wastegates, and then we'll start the engine up, and it'll blow up immediately. And then we LS swap it. Until then, I have my mechanic working on it. He's okay. Oh, man. Did you break it?
No, I bent it.
Wow, we really do be moving fast though.
Because we're fucking cutting everything.
What do you want me to do? Take off the whole dash so we can get that out? But no. Install.
Yeah.
Woo! We're getting steps closer to McDonald's!
So house is serving like steak and cheese enchiladas now?
No.
Yeah, that's not a steak.
Hey,
That was interesting.
is that supposed to sit like that?
I think this situation you really just put the belt on and see how it does, you know? You got these other ones in line where they need to be?
Do more. That's nice. Okay. Oh, hold on. Oh my god, I forgot about that. All right, the new part is in.
Can we move this down?
Shut up. The new part is in. Oh wait, don't strip them. All right, try it.
I will strip if I want to. Hold on, are we clear of everything? We didn't even do a rundown check to make sure.
I mean, nothing's in the way of the belt, so
I'd
that's
back
really
up
all
so
I
we
care
don't get
for.
anything coming out of that.
Oh, we don't have intake on. Nah.
Yeah.
All right, try it. Does that mean turn it off?
No, I mean, yeah.
No.
Well,
all right.
Yeah, it's fine.
We're good. All right, belt is on.
Cool.
That recorded for 45 minutes.
That's how long it took us to do that?
I'm gonna have to look for Kevin coughing. I'm gonna have to look for all the other stupid shit that we did.
I'm high, man.
Wait, I don't want to pinch my fingers, so you're gonna have to pick it up later.
I got it. Ow! I'm just kidding. Oh.
Damn that hood looks good, huh?
At least we know we lined it up.
Oh, I didn't bring mine. That's probably a good idea. Can I have this?
Oh.
Shit ain't going nowhere. Hey, that doesn't look right.
You can have it back.
My goddamn intake.
I'm not even gonna tighten the other one. What if it tears it off? I think it's great like it is.
It's a jolt.
What kind of clip is this new?
I can't get up. No, that was actually. That's Kimberly. That's the previous owner right there. If you can't tell, I like Ryobi. But my dad got me a Milwaukee pack out for Christmas. I actually really like that too. Everything?
You get your saw blades and your sawzall and all that stuff. You had a screwdriver out.
What's up guys, it's Joe. I'm actually finishing editing the video you just watched. While editing the video, I remembered that we never actually took an intake or like an in-credit scene. After installing the new part, we kind of just went straight to get something to eat afterwards. We packed up our tools because all we had eaten that day was a bag of popcorn. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, especially those of you who made it this far into the video. I know it's been a while since I've posted, but don't worry, I'm actually in the process of making video, or actually planning videos as we speak. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you did. You can always undo it later if you desire. It's free anyway. Please comment down below what you would like to see more of on the channel, whether it be firearm content, maybe some more car content. We've been doing that a lot, so maybe we can go to the ranch as well, or something else that we want to try. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.